Hey there viewers, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best everyday carry multi-tools that you can find on Amazon. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these multi-tools, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first multi-tool that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at number 5 on our list, we've got the Gerber Shard Keychain Multi-Tool. The next multi-tool that we've got for you guys today, coming in at number 4 on our list, we've got the Rover Tac Pocket Knife Multi-Tool. And coming in next at number 3 on our list, we've got the SOG Multitool with Hex Driver Set. Next up at number 2 on our list, we've got the Roxin Spark 14-in-1 Multi-Tool. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the Rover Tac 14-in-1 Camping Multi-Tool. Alright viewers, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which everyday carry multi-tool you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.